You have what it takes, you are a winner. When you go into the world, the entire planet is your playground. You have the right to walk with your head held high. You are a winner, and this is your time. So walk on. Walk on and never look back. People see you, they know there is something special about the way you move. You are proud, but not arrogant. You know that this type of self-respect comes from years of hard work. The way to your greatness is not an easy road. So walk on. Walk on. When most are playing, you are doing what most will not. When most are resting, you do what most cannot. When most are sleeping, you are still planning and building. So, walk proud, walk strong, walk on. There is something contained in your soul that makes you stand out. Walk on. There is a spirit of greatness that others can feel, so walk on. There is something in you that makes people want to know you. You are on a mission, and you will not let anything stop you. Walk on. What you have become is a gift for all to share. Walk on. What you do will be spoken of long after you have left this planet. So, walk on. Your name is not as important as the words that come out of your mouth, walk on. For they speak the language of hope, and love for all the world to hear. You are just a finger that points to the moon, so walk on. Some may not notice you as you pass by on the way. So you walk on. It is not for you to say who will be inspired by your words and ways, you are just taking a walk through history. So just walk on. Some would say you are great, but you say it is not that way. You are just an example of someone who is taking a walk. You are simply an example of the way we all should be. Walking in a truth that is greater than self, greater than hope, greater than pain, greater than death. You are walking not because of where you come from. You are walking because you know where you are going. So, you walk on.